Ever wondered how hot your grill really is? Or whether that car engine is running too hot to touch? An infrared thermometer gives you an instant answer without getting anywhere near the surface. In this video, we're reviewing the best infrared thermometers across temperature range, accuracy, laser targeting, and value, so you can grab the right one for your exact situation. Let's get into it. Number 1. Etekcity Infrared Thermometer. The Etekcity Infrared Thermometer is the most recognized name in budget infrared thermometers. For a reason, it hits the sweet spot between price and performance with a temperature range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit and a 12:1 distance to spot ratio that's accurate enough for most home and kitchen tasks. The backlit LCD makes readings easy in low-light environments, and adjustable emissivity gives you more measurement flexibility than most budget options offer. It handles cooking surfaces, griddles, HVAC vents, and basic automotive checks without breaking a sweat. If you want a reliable, everyday infrared thermometer without spending much, this is where most people should start. The best budget pick that earns its bestseller status. Next up, the Soonkoda Digital Infrared Thermometer extends the temperature ceiling to -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, pushing past what most budget models offer and making it genuinely useful for tougher industrial and home measurement tasks. The 12:1 distance to spot ratio keeps targeting accurate, and the built-in maximum or minimum tracking plus unit conversion make it easy to work with measurements over time. The backlit display is clear and readable, and the overall build quality feels solid for the price. If you need a wider temperature range than a standard budget model provides, Soonkoda gives you that extra headroom. A smart step-up pick for home and light industrial use. Number 3. ThermoPro TP30 Infrared Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP30 is our best overall pick, and the key reason is its adjustable emissivity, a feature that lets you calibrate the thermometer for different surface types to get more accurate readings across a wide range of materials. With a range stretching to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit and a 12:1 distance to spot ratio, it covers everything from barbecue grills and pizza ovens to car engines and household appliances. The backlit LCD is clean and easy to read, and ThermoPro's build quality has consistently impressed in this price range. It's the thermometer that handles the widest variety of real-world tasks without compromise. The best all-around infrared thermometer for serious home users and hobbyists. Number 4. Klein Tools IR1 Infrared Thermometer. The Klein Tools 1R1 is built specifically for the people who use tools for a living, electricians, HVAC technicians, and contractors who need something that survives a rough workday. The contractor-grade design is drop-tested and durable. The 10:1 distance to spot ratio is well-suited to close-range electrical and HVAC work, and the temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 752 degrees Fahrenheit covers every trade application you'd realistically encounter. Klein Tools has earned trust in the trades for decades, and the IR1 carries that reputation well. It's compact enough to carry in a tool belt and accurate enough to rely on professionally. The best pick for tradespeople who need a rugged, dependable infrared thermometer on the job. Number 5. Good Baby No Touch Thermometer. The Good Baby No Touch Thermometer is a completely different kind of infrared thermometer. designed for forehead readings rather than surface temperatures, making it the go-to option for families with young kids or anyone doing quick health screenings. It operates contact-free, includes a fever alarm function, and the backlit display makes it easy to use in a dark room without waking a sleeping child. It also measures object and room temperatures, adding a bit of extra everyday utility beyond medical use. If your household needs a fast, reliable, no-touch thermometer for health monitoring, Goodbaby handles it simply and well. The best pick for families and home healthcare use. Coming in at number 6, the Desomai Laser Infrared Thermometer is a capable high-temperature model with a range up to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit and adjustable emissivity for accurate readings across different surface types. The 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio keeps you safely back from hot surfaces while still delivering precise measurements, which matters a lot when you're checking engines, exhaust systems, or HVAC components. It's a reliable workhorse for automotive and industrial tasks without the premium price tag of professional-grade options. The build is solid, and the performance holds up in demanding environments. A great value pick for automotive enthusiasts and HVAC hobbyists. Number 7. Ammiate Infrared Thermometer. The Ammiate Infrared Thermometer is the second medical-focused thermometer on our list, and it earns its spot with 3 measurement modes: body, room, and object, giving it more everyday versatility than a single-purpose forehead thermometer. The no-touch design delivers instant readings with a built-in fever alert system that notifies you immediately when a temperature is outside the normal range. It's a practical household tool that covers health monitoring, room temperature checks, and baby bottle temperature testing all in one device. Simple, fast, and genuinely useful for home healthcare. A versatile pick for families who want one thermometer that does a bit of everything. Number 8. ThermoPro TP 450 Dual Laser Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP 450 steps up the game with a dual laser targeting system and an impressive 16:1 distance-to-spot ratio, the highest on this list, meaning you can measure surfaces accurately from further away with greater precision than a standard single laser model. The range reaches 1022 degrees Fahrenheit with adjustable emissivity, making it ideal for detailed cooking work or industrial measurements where targeting accuracy really matters. If you've ever missed the exact spot you were trying to measure with a single laser model, the dual laser setup here solves that problem entirely. It's a meaningful upgrade over the standard TP 450 for precision-focused users. The best dual laser pick for cooks and hobbyists who want tighter targeting. Number 9. 9 Outdoors Infrared Thermometer. The 9 Outdoors Infrared Thermometer ties for the highest temperature ceiling on this list, a massive minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit range, with a dual laser targeting system that keeps readings accurate at distance. The 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio and backlit LCD handle demanding industrial environments where lesser thermometers would reach their limits quickly. If your work or projects involve extremely high-temperature surfaces, foundry work, industrial ovens, or high-performance engines, this thermometer is built to handle it. The dual laser adds useful targeting precision on top of the raw thermal capability. The best pick for high-temperature industrial applications where range is everything. Number 10. Fluke Max Infrared Thermometer. The Fluke Max Infrared Thermometer is the professional grade pick on this list, and the brand name alone carries serious weight in technical trades. It's drop-tested to 3 meters and rated IP54 for dust and splash resistance, built to survive real job sites, not just lab conditions. and the 10:1 distance-to-spot ratio is tuned for the close-range precision that electrical and HVAC work demands. The temperature range of -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 650 degrees Fahrenheit covers all professional trade applications, and Fluke's accuracy reputation is unmatched in the industry. If you need a thermometer you can trust on the job every single day, Fluke is the answer. The best professional-grade infrared thermometer for serious tradespeople. Number 11. Klein Tools IR5 Dual Laser Infrared Thermometer. The Klein Tools IR5 takes everything that made the IR1 great for contractors and adds a dual laser targeting system for tighter, more precise measurements during electrical inspections and diagnostics. The 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio, combined with dual lasers, gives you a clear visual boundary of exactly where you're measuring, which is critical when you're checking circuit breakers, panels, or wiring connections. The high-visibility backlit LCD is easy to read in the field, and the build quality matches Klein's contractor-grade reputation. It's a step up from the IR1 for anyone who needs more targeting precision in their work. The best dual laser pick for electricians and electrical inspectors. Closing out our list, the Kaizen infrared temperature gun finishes strong with one of the widest temperature ranges on the list, -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, combined with user-friendly controls that make it accessible to first-time infrared thermometer users and experienced ones alike. Adjustable emissivity and a clear backlit display round out a package that covers cooking, automotive, and general home maintenance without any intimidating settings. It's the kind of thermometer you reach for when you need reliable readings across a wide variety of situations and don't want to overthink the setup. Easy to use, wide-ranging, and genuinely versatile. A great everyday pick for home cooks, car owners, and DIY enthusiasts. And that wraps up our full roundup of the best infrared thermometers available right now. For the best all-around pick, go with the ThermoPro TP30. Adjustable emissivity at that price is hard to beat. Need professional-grade durability? The Fluke Max is worth every penny. Check the links in the description for all 12. What are you planning to use yours for? Drop a comment below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you in the next one.